UNESCO World Heritage Site. India boasts 42 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including both cultural and natural sites, showcasing the country's rich history, diverse culture, and natural beauty. Here's a list of the notable UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. Agra Fort. A historical fort in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, reflecting Mughal architecture. Ajanta Caves. Ancient Buddhist cave monuments in Maharashtra, known for their intricate paintings and sculptures. Ellora Caves. Caves featuring Hindu, Buddhist, and Jain temples and monasteries, also in Maharashtra. Taj Mahal. An iconic white marble mausoleum in Agra, a symbol of love and architectural brilliance. Sun Temple, Konark. A 13th century temple dedicated to the sun god, known for its intricate carvings. Group of monuments at Mahabalipuram. A collection of temples and monuments from the 7th and 8th centuries, located in Tamil Nadu. Great living Chola temples. Temples like Brihadishwarar Temple, Gangaikonda Cholapuram, and Airavateshwara Temple in Tamil Nadu, showcasing the Chola dynasty's architectural prowess. Khajuraho Group of Monuments. A group of Hindu and Jain temples in Madhya Pradesh known for their intricate culture. Fatehpur Sikri. A deserted city in the Uttar Pradesh built by Mughal Emperor Akbar, showcasing a blend of Indian and Persian architecture. Humayun's Tomb, Delhi. A tomb considered a precursor to the Taj Mahal located in Delhi. Qutbi Minar and its monuments, Delhi. A minaret and surrounding structures in Delhi showcasing Indo-Islamic architecture. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, formerly Victoria Terminus, Mumbai. A historical railway station in Mumbai known for its Victory Gothic architecture. Churches and Convents of Goa. A collection of churches and convents in Goa reflecting the Portuguese colonial architecture. Rani Ki Vav, the Queen Stepwell, Patna, Gujarat. A stepwell in Gujarat known for its intricate carvings and architecture. The Jantar Mantar, Jaipur. An astronomical observatory in Jaipur, Rajasthan, showcasing ancient Indian astronomical knowledge. Nalanda Mahavihara and Nalanda University, Bihar. An ancient center of learning now and archaeological site. The architecture work of Le Corbusier. An outstanding contribution to the modern monument including building in Chandigarh. Hill Fort in Rajasthan. A group of forts in Rajasthan showcasing Rajput architecture and military prowess. Dhulavera, a Harappan city. An ancient Indus Valley civilization site in Gujarat. Hoysala temples. Temples in Belur Holbedu and Somanathapura, Karnataka showcasing the Hoysala architecture style. Shanti Niketan. A university town in West Bengal founded by Rabindranath Tagore. Moidams, the mound burial system of the Ahom density. A burial site in Assam. Natural sites. Kaziranga National Park. A national park in Assam, known for its population of one-horned rhinoceroses. Koledo National Park. A bird sanctuary in Rajasthan, known for its migratory bird species. Sundarbans National Park. A national park in West Bengal, known for its mangrove forests and the Bengal tiger. Great Himalayan National Park Conservation Area. A national park in Himachal Pradesh, known for its biodiversity and pristine alpine environment. Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Parks. National parks in Uttarakhand, known for their unique alpine flora and fauna. Thanks for watching इसी हाय और वीडियोस देखने के लिए लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करें।